Hey everyone, it's Lex with Survival Go Gear. Just as promised, we wanted to unbox this for you guys and show you all the individual items that are inside this box. That way you're not just looking at the picture. And then once we're done, we'll put everything back together. So let's get started. We're going to get this unboxed. It's kind of big. So, if I cover my face up or something, I apologize for that. But let's get this opened up. All right, here we go. So, I apologize for the loud noise, but it comes in this just simple, clear case that kind of has everything laid out. So it'll be kind of easy to put everything back together. First one we'll start off with is the foldable shovel. This is always great to have inside of a pack. You never know when you need it. Great for RVs too. You never think about it. If you got to dig something out, if you get stuck somewhere, this can come very handy. So you've got the shovel there. Here is the field knife. It does come with a sheath. So here's the knife. Feels pretty good. Feels real good in your hand. It's kind of like a rubberized grip. It's got the SOG logo on there. A place for you to put your thumb, hold you real nice and tight. The blade comes actually very sharp outside of the box. So, but it does, like I said, it comes with the sheath. So that's nice. That's a nice little feature. And then I don't know if you guys can tell, you can actually, the way that the sheath is built is you can put a rope in here. And if you had to cut something, that's a nice little feature to have there. So the third thing, many of you guys probably already have one, but it does come with one. This is a little just flint rod. I prefer a ferro rod. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. You can see it right here that it's a flint rod. It's great to have. Always a great part of your kit. You can't have too many, is what I say. So, and then you've got this little cool little multi-tool. You can actually put it on your keychain. You use that as a can opener. You've got a little screwdriver right there, a little flathead. You got a little cutter right here. So kind of a neat little thing, but always great to have. You may or may not use it. Does come with a hatchet, like I said earlier. Comes with this sheath as well. Ooh, that's sharp. I already felt it on my hand right there a second ago. It's real light, feels real good in your hand. Feels like I could get a good um, chopping on it. So overall, this looks pretty sweet. I don't know if you guys can see it. Um, there's little markings on it, but it wipes right off, so it's nothing to do with the actual material. But yeah, pretty neat to have. Like I said, a hatchet you can use for about pretty much anything. Carving a tree or trying to take barks off of something. If you got to chop little small pieces of tinder and things like that, great, great tool to have. And then the last final item, which I actually love that all this has sheaths and protections. So if you're carrying it, you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. But this is the machete. And this is actually a pretty good size. The handle feels great in your hand. It's that kind of rubberized. It's got a little bit of texture grip on it. But this knife, ooh, this blade is nice and sharp. I don't want to test it for you guys, but I think this could cut really well. Just get small tree limbs, again, for firewood and things like that. And then that's a sharp blade as well on there. So that's really neat. It's real light and it feels good. It's got a good balance to it. So we appreciate you guys watching this video. We kind of just wanted to show you guys what all you're getting in this free giveaway. But we hope you guys like it. Go to that post that we made earlier about the actual post where you got a comment free gift on it. Go over there, share that post if you guys are interested in this. But we appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a wonderful rest of the day.